The best part about eating this way, when you're on a farm, you don't have time to go prepare nothing. You just grab and go. So it's day 48 and I just got this basket of goodies. These berries, I think it's about 3 dozen. So you know, I have my fruits. It's almost 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything. I am so caught up with work, I forget to eat or drink. I literally don't eat from morning, but anyways, still sticking to my rule. Coconut water first. So I'll have this and then whatever else. Yeah man, it hit the spot. Because I left myself careless today and I eat almost 3 o'clock. The coconut water and hold me, so I'm having 4 of these berries. It's day 50. Can you believe it? I am 50 days into 90 days raw. That means I only have 40 days to go. So today I don't have any coconut water, sadly. Waiting on it to be delivered. However, I'm starting my day with watermelon. So as Stacia would say, high water content fruits first. So it helps your body during detox mode. So watermelon first. Yo, it's sweet a long time. When I get a melon, I'm actually enjoy, because normally when they're not sweet, I just make juice. But that one here, you can actually eat it. The best part about eating this way, when you're on a farm, you don't have time to go prepare nothing. You just grab and go. So for day 50, we're having these berries. Hey, that one a juicy bud. Today, the pun juice. Anyways, as I said, newsberry season, so remember my statement I made before about seed? My seed there. As I wind down the evening, I'll be having some bananas. Not a banana lover in terms of eating it. I prefer incorporate it in smoothies or an ice cream, but I need a potassium, so got to eat it. So for dinner, I'll be making a smoothie, which is coconut milk, some mangoes, and bananas. So this is the result. The coconut milk is basically coconut blend with coconut water. Nice. The coconut milk just wow. So end of day 50, dinner. Well, if I'm hungry later, I might just drink water or something, but nothing, you know, solid or anything. Yo, I don't know, this is my go-to smoothie. Mango with coconut milk.